We want to turn you to Pinpoint Weather 12 forecast. We're in a weather alert today because finally we at least are getting some rain, some chance of showers tonight, right, Tony?
That's right, and the reason for the alert, Brian, as we mentioned earlier, just kind of a heads up in terms of travel. We've seen a couple of accidents, via social media, and just my drive into work today on the highway, maybe some hydroplaning, some standing water. But southern areas, places like New Bedford, it's actually quiet. Most of the rain now has lifted to the north. Let me show you Doppler Radar, and you can see over the last hour, most of this now is concentrated northern Rhode Island, Route 44, Route 6, and into northeast Connecticut. And when we take a look at the rainfall amounts, and this is very welcome, Plymouth, Mass, look at this. 2.5 inches of rain and some localized downpours. Exeter 1.86. Hope Valley, which is the southern part of the state, over an inch of rain. West Warwick just shy of an inch of rain, and downtown Providence closing in on 3/4 of an inch. This is certainly not a cure, but it does help. It does put a bit of a dent in otherwise an extreme drought, as mentioned. As we look at Newport right now under gray skies, you actually got a lull here. There's not much going on in terms of any widespread precipitation right now. Temperatures that are in the lower 70s, but the humidity is ultra high. Even when we don't have any showers, the air feels wet. And this is one reason why we've had some downpours, at least in some areas. There's a lot of moisture, a lot of humidity in the air, and that'll stick around tonight right on through tomorrow. So when we take a look at the dew point meter or the muggy meter here, you can see the high dew points of the very humid air through at least Tuesday afternoon, and then the approach of a cold front dropping the dew points by midweek. So pretty comfortable Wednesday and Thursday. Two fronts, red line, blue line. Red line is a warm front. That's the reason for some of the precipitation that we've had today, is that lifts to the north. Most of the rain will move into northern New England, and we should stay fairly quiet tonight other than an isolated shower. Blue line, that is your cold front off to our west. That's arriving tomorrow. That'll be the second mechanism to produce some scattered showers and some downpours. I think precipitation tomorrow, though, not as widespread as today. All right, let's walk you through it. Starting off this evening, mostly cloudy, very humid, some areas of fog. Here we are tomorrow morning, clouds and fog, temperatures in the lower 70s, and really just about any time, late morning, early afternoon, you see very random localized downpour or a shower passing through under partly sunny skies, temperatures in the lower 80s. And then tomorrow evening, tomorrow night, front comes through, humidity goes down, and we're more comfortable on Wednesday. So for tomorrow morning, clouds and fog early. Grab the umbrella, take it with you before you head out. There's the chance every now and then of that random passing shower, downpour, or thunderstorm, partly sunny, warm, humid. Tomorrow afternoon, 83, and every now and then a passing shower. There'll be many hours where it's actually not precipitating, but that shower risk is there. Some fog in the morning at the beaches, chance of a shower every now and then. I think a better beach day on Wednesday. Bay forecast bonus, be mindful, even though the chance is small, of an isolated thunderstorm, but showers and some fog. All right, 7-day forecast. Wednesday, Thursday are comfortable. Chance of an isolated thunderstorm Friday afternoon or Friday evening. Early call on the weekend looks good. Seasonally warm and dry with sunshine and temperatures in the lower 80s.